After the third edition of Monolith Festival hosted recently, the Khadc is now keen on working with the Meghalaya government to make the festival bigger with the ambition of surpassing even the famous Hornbill Festival of Nagaland. Speaking to media persons here on Thursday, Khadc Deputy Chief Executive Member CEM P.N. Aim said that they can definitely make the festival a bigger affair while reminiscing about the impressive footfall at the recently held Monolith Festival. The Deputy CEM also stated that the Khadc is not averse to the idea of working with the Meghalaya government in working towards the endeavours. The third Monolith Festival showcased the rich culture and heritage of the Khadc community insofar as the cuisine, custom attire and local administration are concerned.
Because the Hornbill has been started long time back. For Monolith, I think this is the only third edition. But still we could gather crowd, that much of crowd. So we are very thankful to the state government for their kind cooperation with us. Through Meghalaya Aid Limited, we work together with us, where all these traditional huts have been repaired, then it has been beautified. So we are very thankful to them. Even the even management team also has been financially helped by the state government.
The Indian